Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing how to make creamy scalloped potatoes. Recipe in comments. Let's begin. Wash and peel 8 medium-sized potatoes. Thinly slice the potatoes. Soak potatoes in salted cold water for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 5 tablespoons of flour. Mix well until smooth. Close the burner and gradually add 4½ cup of milk. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon Italian herbs. Reopen the burner to a medium flame and add 1½ cup of cheese. Mix well until cheese has fully melted. Add a pinch of nutmeg. This is the sauce consistency we want to work with. Add ½ cup of chopped green onions. In a baking pan, add cheese sauce as the first layer. For our second layer, add the sliced potatoes. Add shredded cheese as the final layer. Repeat steps until satisfied with amount. Once finished layering, add a handful of green onions. Bake potatoes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 1½ hours. Once done baking, let potatoes rest in oven for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. Serve and enjoy. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.